Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sam, and today we're diving into the topic of generating passive income through 7 different streams. Have you ever pondered the possibility of earning money while you sleep? Envision a lifestyle where your bank account continues to flourish even when you're not actively working. This isn't a fantasy, but the reality of passive income. Passive income is money you earn with minimal daily effort, and it's a powerful tool for financial independence. It's about having multiple income streams, diversifying your earnings, and securing your financial future. Let me share with you 7 specific passive income ideas. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but proven methods that have helped generate a hefty sum of $19,000 in just a week. From investing in stocks to creating online courses, these methods are diverse, accessible, and potentially very lucrative. Remember, the goal isn't to make a quick buck, but to build a sustainable income source that works for you around the clock. So, are you ready to discover how to make your money work for you? Let's begin our journey. Our first passive income idea is investing in stocks. Now, let's break it down. When you invest in stocks, you're buying tiny pieces of companies. These pieces, stocks, can generate income in 2 main ways. First, there's the potential for price appreciation. This means that the value of the stock can go up over time, and when you sell your stock, you make a profit. The second way is through dividends. Not all companies do this, but some distribute a portion of their earnings back to their stockholders. This is called a dividend. So if you own stocks in a company that pays dividends, you'll receive a bit of money, typically every quarter. This can be a great source of passive income, especially if you reinvest those dividends to buy more stocks. But here's the key. Investing in stocks isn't about making a quick buck. It's about the long game. It's about researching and finding companies you believe in, companies that have potential for growth over the long term. Remember, the stock market has its ups and downs. There will be good days and bad days. But with patience, resilience, and a well-thought-out investment strategy, you can ride out the storm. So start learning about the stock market, explore, educate yourself, and make informed decisions. With a well-planned strategy, investing in stocks can become a powerful income-generating machine. Moving on to the second passive income stream, real estate rentals. Picture this. You own a property, and instead of letting it sit idle, you rent it out. This concept, while simple, can be a goldmine when done right. It's all about purchasing property with the sole purpose of leasing it out to tenants. The rent you collect becomes your passive income, providing a steady flow of cash every month, as constant as the moon's phases. But it isn't just about buying any property and putting up a for rent sign. Success in real estate rentals hinges on a number of factors. Location is paramount. A property in a bustling city center or near a hotspot of amenities is more likely to attract tenants than one in a remote, less developed area. The condition and appeal of the property also matter. A well-maintained, attractive property is like a moth to a flame for potential renters. Then there's property management. This involves finding and screening tenants, handling maintenance and repairs, and dealing with any possible legal issues. It's a bit of work, yes, but once you've got the hang of it, it's just about maintaining the flow. Like a river that's found its course, real estate rentals can provide a steady stream of income once the initial work is done. It's like having your own money tree, except it's a house or an apartment, and instead of plucking bills, you're collecting rent checks. Peer-to-peer lending is our third passive income idea. This innovative form of lending is a way to bypass traditional banks. Instead, borrowers and lenders connect directly through online platforms. As an investor, you can lend your money to individuals or small businesses in need, and in return, you'll receive interest payments. Think of it as being the bank, but in a more personal and direct way. Now, you might be wondering about the risks. Like any investment, there are potential pitfalls. Borrowers may default on their loans, and unlike a bank, you don't have an army of lawyers to recover your funds. However, many platforms mitigate this risk by spreading your investment across multiple loans, reducing the impact of any single default. The returns? They can be substantial. Interest rates often exceed those offered by traditional savings accounts or bonds. So, while it's not without its risks, peer-to-peer lending can be a lucrative option if you're willing to take on a bit of risk. Our fourth passive income idea is creating an online course. Picture this. You have a wealth of knowledge in a particular field. It could be anything from gardening to coding, from cooking to quantum physics. You can convert that knowledge into a comprehensive online course, and voila, you have a product that can be sold again and again. The beauty of creating an online course is that you put in the hard work once, but the rewards can be reaped for years to come. Once your course is created and hosted on a platform, every new student that enrolls brings in more income, all without any additional effort on your part. However, it's crucial to choose a topic that you're truly knowledgeable about. Your expertise will shine through your course content, making it more attractive to potential students. Remember, quality is king when it comes to online courses. Online courses can generate significant income, especially if you have expertise in a high-demand area. Let's talk about our fifth passive income idea, affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, you promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Simple, right? But there's a catch. The key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing the right products and building an audience who trusts your recommendations. You might be wondering, how do you choose the right product? Well, the trick is to choose something that aligns with your brand or personal interests. This way, promoting it feels natural and genuine. Now let's talk about building an audience. It's all about creating valuable content, engaging with your followers, and being consistent. Remember, people buy from those they trust. Affiliate marketing can provide a decent income stream with the right strategy. Our sixth passive income idea is earning royalties from a book or song. Imagine this. You pen down your thoughts, string together melodies, or share your knowledge in a book. And then, every time someone reads your book or listens to your song, you get paid. That's the beauty of earning royalties. Here's how it works. When you create a book or a song, you essentially create an asset. This asset, once published or recorded, can generate income whenever it's purchased or played. Every time someone buys your book or streams your song, you earn a small amount of money known as a royalty. The process of writing a book or creating a song may require a significant investment of time and effort initially. But once it's out there in the world, it can potentially provide a steady income for years to come. And the best part? You don't have to physically be there to make the sale. Let's say you write a book on personal finance or create a catchy pop song. As it gains popularity, your royalty income can grow. And even if it doesn't become a bestseller or a chart topper, it can still provide a steady, albeit smaller, income stream. So if you have a knack for writing or music, this could be a great passive income avenue for you. It's a way to turn your passion into profit and keep earning long after the initial work is done. Royalties can provide a steady income stream long after the initial work is done. Our final passive income idea is dropshipping. Now let's imagine you're a store owner, a digital store owner. You've got no stock, no warehouse, just a web page where you showcase products from different manufacturers. When a customer purchases an item, you simply forward the order to the manufacturer and they ship it directly to the customer. You don't handle the product, you're the middleman, simplifying the process. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. The potential profits can be substantial. Consider this. You set the retail price, so the difference between the wholesale price and your selling price is your profit. The beauty of dropshipping is You're not risking capital on unsold inventory. But it's not all smooth sailing. You'll deal with customer service issues, and remember, you're relying on the manufacturer for inventory and shipping. It's a delicate balance, one that requires careful planning and execution. Dropshipping can be a profitable venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring 7 passive income ideas. From investing in stocks to dropshipping, each strategy offers a unique way to diversify your income and maximize your earnings. Remember, the beauty of passive income lies in its potential. It's money that works for you even while you sleep. So why wait? The journey to financial independence begins with a single step. Start building your passive income streams today and let your money work for you.